Welcome to the Tivatam channel. Today I have a surprise. Close your eyes. Ta-da! The Hydratic Play Launcher. When we will do this to the injection, then the water will go and it will go. Seat 3 and seat 2. Seat 2.
This is seat 1.
This
And
seat.
each seat has around how many free parts?
Hey, this right now.
Number 1 you take out, this is right.
Wait.
Then you take out the sticker.
Hey, that will be I think.
It will move here and there, na, then you have to stopper. This is stopper lock
T-lock.
T-lock.
Hey, that is a T-lock.
Stop it.
What?
Yeah.
This-
Step 7.
What did you do
I haven't done anything. Is it right? That is not.
Yeah.
I'm just sitting alone. I'm just seeing what he is trying to do.
Okay. I think I found the gap. It is here. Here. Found the gap. Find this. Okay. What you have to do is you have to put like this right there.
I'm
Hold.
but it was getting far down because of you.
Amazing. You
Amazing, you did a good job. That's now
No, what you have to do?
you have to go
Give
for the
me the seat one. Seat one.
seat 1, huh?
Yeah, that one.
You have to take this one. You have to take this one. Huh?
I am Daddy. I need your help. Wait. I
You found that gap? You found that? You need to understand where it. You need to turn.
Wait,
You need to turn.
the part.
You can insert this.
Wait, I have to insert this too.
Other side, both sides. Is it right?
Just do this. Like this.
Okay.
Everyone has to do like this. Understand?
Then you have to put this one. Otherwise,
These rubber, yes. These two rubber.
first
They don't these two like this.
in this slot. In this two slot. Huh? There is a 2 slot.
I can't see it.
Can I help you? Can I help you to take it out?
No, I take it out.
You can take it out.
Finally. Okay, now I need this.
This color. Okay.
Okay.
I think it's a black one. Look at black.
Hey, already there's a.
You need to take care. They say that you need to take care of the color. Wherever the color is mentioned, please insert the rubber accordingly. Is it right?
You tell.
You should tell.
Then I can't say that. This is
Okay.
important.
Hey guys, please take a color. Use appropriate color wherever is mentioned. Use it. Is it right?
Yeah, correct. My daddy is correct always.
Yeah.
Wait. No, double 3. Where's the double 3? 2, 3, 4. I need to find number now. Now, next, I have to take this part.
Yeah, but this is the same picture, na?
Oh, yeah. See number 3.
Will I help you? Okay. Yeah. Good.
Phew, that was close.
Yeah. Wait.
Wait,
I will help you.
I think I can do this. Yeah. You know, they don't like this. Look, little bit gap you can see, right?
Yeah, this slot will be for this. Just see, this is the stopper. You know?
Yes.
This will be stopped just like this. Is it right?
Wait, let me move. Yes.
After that, you need to turn. No, I will have to turn.
Next, you tell. Wait. Sheet number 1. Oh, no. Oh, I can't see.
This slot will be
I can't do this. Can you help me?
What is this? Is the rubber, na?
No.
O-ring. This is the O-ring. Yeah. What is the name of this black color?
O-ring.
O-ring.
Done?
Yeah. This stop, na?
Now we need the rubber bands. To put here. Not here, man.
Yeah, back side.
Now I need these two rubber
The
bands.
slot is very tiny because of this. That's why you are taking help from your father.
Yes. It is very tiny. No, never hard work.
ये उल्टा लगा दिया मुझे लग रहा है उत्तम.
नहीं,
This arrow need to go in this direction, right? See, that's what it is saying. This you need to like this.
Hey, are you serious?
Just see this
Look,
arrow and
they
this
are
arrow.
showing like this.
Hey Uttam bhaiya, this arrow. Please understand why you have put in here. Because to hold it, now this become a rigid. Now it become a rigid, and then when you pull this, put, then the arrow will go forward and backward.
Sweet! Now we need 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2 orange, 2.
Two, yes, correct.
Blue.
You need to put inside, and the second one you can press it. This will be this arrow. This is arrow side, na? This is arrow.
Where?
Yeah.
Where we have to put here, na?
You need to turn like this.
Hey, this one here. Look. They don't like this.
Just you should see, na? First you should see how they have put it.
Oh, so that's why you're trying to say. I need that. Oh, I don't. Another. Turn it back.
Turn the machine. You are making the machine. What happened? Please give me some 220.
Hey!
I'm
trying to. I was painted.
Painted, huh? Oh my god.
Sorry, that was. Now I need a pouch. Yeah. Thank you.
Single time. No, put the
Pull back the pulling plate.
pulling plate is.
Where's the pulling? What is the pulling plate? Let me go back a little bit. Pulling plate.
Last letter.
And number 9. We need a green one. 5 different.
When you're going to use the green one.
Yes.
The four bands. Four.
Then 8 million bands between the top guide, the bottom guide, and the pulling plate. So what do you have to do?
Just see.
I can't be hold.
I'm holding up.
Here, ये तो gun लग रहा gun. To this here? Is that correct?
No. It is the last and the
Is that the right one?
No, you should think, no?
This one is right only. I know this right, this left.
Okay. Yep. Which is where this connection is right. But where is the another slot? Another slot is somewhere here near to the hole.
No. I just want to. Oh yeah, yours will be full now.
Yeah. Good, you know the Tamil also, huh? Is it right?
I don't know full Tamil.
Full Tamil, but you are learning. Is it right? You love Tamil. Is it right? Okay.
I'm trying to learn, but in Duolingo I'm doing Hindi only.
Okay, but you are learning. That is good. After
But I can't learn properly.
You will learn You will learn after
We
some
all
time.
can't. Me and my sister can't learn properly. Hey, I did it! I think.
Yeah, the other side also. You do the same way and the other side.
Wait, I did like this, right? How about the machine is completed?
Your finger will be hit. Understand? Just see this become a lock now. This slot is coming in between. So once you take it out, yes.
What did I do?
Nothing. Once you come back, and this is like what he said. This is your operating. That means otherwise something else.
Yes.
Is it right?
Yes.
Once you
Put it back.
Once you put it back, automatically this will be locked.
How?
How no? Because there is a slot. Just see. I'm putting this slack. Amma, is it right? Once you put it back.
Oh, this one is the pulling plate.
It is pulling plate, and this become a lock. Once you put it down, it will be move forward. Is it right? So that is what he is saying. Don't put your finger in between. Once you put it, because of the rubber force, will push the.
And you get hurt and you start to cry and you can submit it back. I don't want to.
Oh, mama, please help you. Please take some band.
No, you started to tell. Submit it back. I don't want to play this.
Yeah, that is also a point. Correct. Okay. So to understand what is that, how the mechanism is. Once you pull it, the rubber will push this pulling plate.
Because when we do like this, there is a.
Because the rubber is elastic.
And we know that.
You know that. Is it right? Good. So.
And the whole one, they know.
Oh, whole but no, but you know that because the small boy is knowing that is very big point. You have to know. What is knowing because they are very big. You are very small. Small boy also knows everything. Is it right?
Wait.
Okay.
I found a book.
But this page is only
7 years. He really knows.
They also know because 7 years baby knows how.
Because they did 6 years plus.
6 years plus. You also 6 years 7 just last month. This month you celebrated your 7th machine is completed. Okay. Now you have to build the base. Is it right? Machine, match the arrow. Okay. This you have to bring.
Number 2.
Take out my money, madam. Please take my money.
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay, dear, please make
Please wait because I'm eating my snacks. Look. Break time. All it was there. To put like this. I understand.
Why you are putting this rubber to stop the
machine,
fan?
they have to do something. And so first that we finish. But second,
What is the name?
Launcher base. Now we are making launcher base.
First you already what this
First we made launcher top. Now we are making launcher base.
Correct.
So let's take I take the wrong page. Okay.
You went first more we take that. First you should make that one.
Yes, I'm going to take water.
Right now don't use the water, just put it. Let it be. We will put plunger
holder. I found it.
This is plunger, okay? This is plunger or
Hey, this is plunger. This is plunger.
Plunger holder.
This is plunger, okay?
Plunger holder.
Yes, that will be.
You should put complete name, not plunger. It's a plunger holder.
Okay.
Sheet 1. You can take it out.
I take it out. Next one, we need sheet number 1 again. 14. So now I have to put this inside of this.
You
No. I have to take this one.
no.
Yes. Look.
First you have to put it inside.
That I'm going to do that.
Okay.
Next I need.
Okay. Then cylinder
Yes.
from the.
Hey, I need this. Then how we will put this?
That's what I'm. Let me see. Okay.
What do you have to do?
You have to. With the.
What?
No, not with the. How do you- Okay, this slot. The slot. You put the slot and then.
Oh.
The next step. Just hold on. Just hold on and take this one. What is name?
I forget already. So we need this one, right? No. I take the wrong one. Okay. What is it? 15. Two. We need
First
a.
you need
We
to
need a.
hold. First you need to hold
Thumb.
this. Then put it inside and then put the.
Wait.
Put the.
Wait, I'm doing that. Wait, I think we have to.
Yes, correct.
So now you take this up.
Because it will be December now. If you put it, then it will be locked.
Okay. So done.
Yeah,
Now
done.
we have to.
This first you need to lock. This
We
you need to
done
take it
it.
out and
Now we need
in this side
to
also.
take. Wait, we done this one.
This side you put this lock.
Yeah.
Now you have to put this lock also and then put the rubber band.
We did it. Oh yeah. Here also. Here. Here, right?
Here you put in other side also you have to put na.
Oh my
Hey,
God.
let it rotate, not a problem. Let it rotate.
But how do we do it? I don't understand. Oh, here I think.
Yeah, you have to put the lock, then put the band. Then this
We did it like that. Look, we did it.
Okay, take it out na. This binder.
Oh, this.
Then where is the binder?
50. Done. Can I take it? No, I need a small band again.
First you okay band, but you have to first insert this one na.
What do you have to do here?
This thing.
Okay, they think.
How I did that? You need to do the same way.
Oh, here.
Press it and put the
Band.
lock.
Hey,
Right? It
this
can be
is the
locked.
small band.
So that it can be locked. Is it right? Why you are putting that sort of main understanding? Why you are doing so?
We have to lock now, so that's why.
So otherwise you not put it every time the whole
It will
everything
come out.
come out. Yes.
31, 32, okay. Then how that can be possible? Oh, all this is happening.
This
Done the
part,
part,
you
done.
take it out.
Okay, sheet number 1.
This-
What's here?
Here is the hazard outside all the profiling. The periphery of the circle. Then don't let it be here. Okay.
Now I need
This
this one.
link. This one.
Yes.
This one. 17 now.
Then let me see the
Just
number. Link 1.
From the put one finger from the bottom and pull it up. Push it up.
Next one.
You want
Wait, did I take it one?
Then
that's
see the assembly
Oh,
sequence. First this one, then this one, then this one, then block. See the assembly sequence.
Wait.
What is the
That's a circle one, circle.
what is the name? What is the name? Circle.
I circle.
I circle. Just see where is I circle.
What is the number? 16.
Just see where it is. I have seen already.
Where's it, Tommy?
You should find
This?
out.
Yeah. Okay. So now I have
Then?
to.
Then one gear, third number.